Welcome to 35 Westgate Avenue, a gorgeous 3-story, 5-bedroom executive home with 4 washrooms, backing onto a lush ravine setting within a quiet and sought-after neighbourhood of Central East Ajax. The nicely sized backyard is fully fenced, very private, and a serene outdoor space set against a backdrop of greenery, while the front yard has been landscaped with stone, complementing its light-colored brick exterior. The front door, its sidelights, and its transom are accented with metal inserts, with this entrance opening into an inviting ceramic-tiled reception area, off of which are the combined formal entertaining spaces. A large east-facing window floods this room with natural light, while cutouts along the walls of the reception hall further opens these spaces to the rest of the level. A pantry and storage cupboard, as well as a walk-in closet, are also found off the reception area, as is a powder room boasting an elegant modern design with mirrors on all 4 walls and a unique natural edge vanity with a stone vessel basin. The dark hardwood flooring that finishes the formal living and dining rooms is also featured in the spacious family room, where an oversized west-facing bay window provides beautiful outdoor views. 2 accent windows allow for added diffused light, and the warmth of a triple-sided gas fireplace is shared with the breakfast area, which features a modern pendant-style light fixture, while pot lighting brightens the kitchen. A blend of traditional design with modern accents, the kitchen showcases rich chocolate-colored cabinetry, as well as countertops and ceramic flooring in warm earthen tones, paired with the sleekness of stainless steel mosaic backsplashes, and appliances that include a dishwasher, oven with gas cooktop, and a French door fridge. While other great features here include the convenience of a servery counter, an island with seating, as well as a double sink. Directly off the kitchen is a sunken laundry room with ceramic flooring, a front-load washer and dryer, access to the double-car garage, and stairs to an unfinished lower level. While off the breakfast area is an oversized sliding door walkout with light diffusing blinds opening onto the raised deck in the west-facing backyard. Offering ample outdoor entertaining space, the deck has a glass railing and wood privacy walls, and steps down to a yard with plenty of play and gardening space. Dark-stained hardwood staircases carry to both the 2nd and 3rd levels, both which feature cozy broadloom throughout, with the 2nd level showcasing 4 generously sized bedrooms, 2 washrooms, a linen closet, as well as a storage closet under the 3rd level staircase. The 4th bedroom overlooks the ravine setting, has a whimsical light fixture, and a walk-in closet, while both the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms feature ceiling fans, double closets with single doors, and east-facing windows, with all 3 of these bedrooms having ample space for sitting or study areas, as well as sharing amongst them the main 4-piece washroom, which features a ceramic-tiled floor and bath area. through double doors is the master suite, a serene private retreat showcasing a soft neutral color palette, a bay window with backyard and ravine views, a ceiling fan, and a walk-in closet. With its relaxing ensuite washroom featuring earthen-toned ceramic finishes throughout, 2 chocolate-colored vanities, a corner tub, as well as a walk-in shower area. The third-level loft showcases a very spacious bedroom with a double closet that also has semi-private access to this level's 4-piece washroom. And with its large recreation area, plus a separate space that is ideal as an office, sitting, or study area, the loft is perfectly suited for casual entertaining, as a guest suite, or as a private living space for mature family members. Within the catchment area of Viola Desmond Public and St. Teresa of Calcutta Catholic Elementary Schools, J. Clark Richardson Collegiate Institute, as well as Cataraqui Public, St. Patrick Catholic Elementary, Ajax High, and Notre Dame Catholic Secondary Schools for their French immersion programs, and being a short walk to Lexington Park, a pond, and access points to the trail system that winds through this and other nearby neighborhoods. This home is minutes to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village, and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Center Shopping Mall, Lake Ridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401. And Ajax's beautiful waterfront park, with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario, is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.